Creating and selling an online course on the internet is another great way for you to generate passive income from the internet. You can monetize your knowledge and skills that you have acquired all these years by creating and selling online courses on the internet. A lot of people are looking for new skills and knowledge to learn from the internet. So please take advantage of this and find out what skills that are in high demand, then create a course on that skill and sell it online. So for the sake of this video, please permit me to explain what an online course is. An online course is any web-based class that can be viewed on a computer. It can also be viewed on a tablet or a mobile device. So this means that you create video classes on courses that you want to teach, then you upload those videos on the internet for your students to buy. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide that you can use to create and sell your courses successfully on the internet. So please make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell notification to this channel so that you can get the latest information concerning online business on this channel. Also remember to ask me any questions that you have on the comment section. I promise to answer each and every questions that you ask me on the comment section immediately. Also remember to watch other videos on this channel because I have created several videos that will help you with different strategies that you can use to make money online with ease. So make sure that you watch other videos on this channel after watching this one. So now follow this step-by-step guide to start creating and selling your online courses. Step 1. Choose a subject matter that you are very knowledgeable about for your online course. Make sure that you choose a topic or a subject matter that you are very knowledgeable about or that you are very experienced in to teach on your online course. Make sure that your online course is in high demand. Make sure that you conduct a market research to find out which course topics that are in high demand in the marketplace. Step 2. Start creating your online course. It's better to create video courses for your online course. You need equipment such as video camera, lighting, microphone, video editing softwares, and a laptop computer to create your video courses. Create several chapters for your online courses and make sure that your online course is very easy to understand for your students. Step 3. Create a website for your online course. You need to create a website where you can sell your online course. Make sure that you list all your online courses on your website and fix their prices. Also provide your contact details on your website. Step 4. Sell your online courses on e-learning platforms. Sign up or register with e-learning platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare so that you can easily sell your online courses on those e-learning platforms I just mentioned. These e-learning platforms will make it easier for you to sell your online courses. So register with these e-learning platforms and upload your online course on their platforms. Let me name those e-learning platforms for you because those e-learning platforms are important for you to sell your online courses. Those e-learning platforms are Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. Step 5. Market and promote your online courses. Make sure that you promote your online courses on all social media platforms. Examples of social media platforms that you can promote your online courses are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. Make sure that you are very active on social media. This will help you sell unlimited amounts of your online courses. Try to pay for social media advertisement to boost the sales of your online courses. Use email marketing strategies to sell your online courses. Also use search engine optimization strategies to boost the visibility of your online courses and your website. So please follow these steps that I just listed for you right now to successfully sell your online courses. Thank you. That's all for today. Please, if you have any questions, try to ask me immediately on the comment section. Once you ask me some questions on the comment section, I promise to answer all of them immediately. Remember to like and share this video so that your friends and families can also learn how to create and sell their online courses. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you can get the latest information and strategies about online businesses. Make sure that you also watch other videos on this channel to learn different and various strategies and tips that you can use to make money online. Thank you very much. Goodbye.